May question po tayo sa paano mag-delete ng Facebook account permanently. Yung tanong po niya is, ako dinelete nga, tas na-delete naman. Pero mamaya-maya, andyan na naman account ko, hindi na-delete. So to answer that question po, ganito po kasi yan. Once you deleted your Facebook account permanently, hindi agad yan madidelete. Magbibigay si Facebook sa'yo na 30 days na palugit. So if within the 30 days, nag-login ka ulit kay Facebook using your account details, i-consider ni Facebook na nagbago isip mo and you want to recover your Facebook account. So kung gusto mo talaga permanently ma-delete yung Facebook account mo, huwag ka nang mag-login using your Facebook account sa loob ng, let's say, more than 30 days para permanently deleted na talaga. So I hope this video answer your question. If you want more videos like this, forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.